Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add payment gateways in Shopify. Sometimes when you start selling on Shopify, you need to set up a payment gateway so customers can pay easily. It only takes a few minutes to connect one. Here's how you can add a payment gateway in Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you're logged into your store. Now, click on Settings from the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Here, click on Payments. Then click on Add Payment Method. Now, search for the payment option you want to add, for example, PayPal or any other gateway you prefer. From the list, click on Lay-by powered by PayPal. Then click on Put in on Lay-by. Next, click on Install to add it to your store. You might see a confirmation message. Just click Install again to finish the setup. Once it's installed, you can go back to your payment settings and manage it from there. You can enable or disable it anytime, link your merchant account, or even add more payment options like Stripe or ShopPay to give your customers more choices. That's it. Your payment gateway is now ready, and your Shopify store can start accepting payments smoothly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.